The power of serendipity in learning. Have you ever experienced that magical moment when a random piece of information you recently encountered becomes the perfect solution to a problem you're facing? It's like the universe is whispering secrets just for you. This is the beauty of continuous learning and why I'm passionate about sharing knowledge. Last weekend, I had one of those aha moments while repairing my quadcopter. A simple wiring issue had me stumped. But a video I watched earlier, purely out of curiosity, provided the exact solution I needed. It was like a hidden treasure I stumbled upon, making a potentially tricky repair a breeze. But here's where it gets controversial. Should we actively seek out this kind of serendipity? Or is it better to let it happen organically? Is there a fine line between luck and preparation? And this is the part most people miss: the value of diverse learning. By reading and watching a variety of content, we increase the chances of these serendipitous moments. And who doesn't want a little extra luck on their side? I believe that Hackaday is a treasure trove of these moments. It's a platform that celebrates the little hacks and the big ones, offering a diverse range of knowledge. It's like an insurance policy for your future dilemmas, and it's free. So, keep reading, keep watching, and keep an open mind. You never know when that next piece of knowledge will be the key to unlocking a new skill or solving a problem. What's your take on this? Do you believe in the power of serendipity, or is it just a matter of being in the right place at the right time? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.